Are you planning to move in or out of New Jersey? What could be better than having professional movers handle all the heavy lifting for you? In this video, we'll show you how to find the best cheap full-service movers in New Jersey that offer a smooth, affordable, and hassle-free moving experience. Let's get started. Moving is already stressful enough, but when you hire full-service movers, they take the burden off your shoulders. A full-service moving company provides all-inclusive services such as packing, loading, unloading, and even storage solutions. This means you don't have to worry about renting trucks, buying supplies, or handling the physical labor. The experts do it all. So how much can you expect to pay for full-service movers in New Jersey? The cost depends on several factors, including the size of your home, the number of belongings, and the distance you're moving. On average, a basic moving package costs around $1,000. This typically includes truck rental, hiring the movers, packing supplies. If you need additional services like storage or insurance, the price may increase. But don't worry. With the right research, you can find affordable options that meet your needs without going over budget. Choose wisely and let the professionals handle the rest. See you next time.